When coding, in the ideal world, the developer must provide all of the information to make the application work properly. The developer needs to format the code and provide an explanation of the code. There are many documentation tools to assist the developer. Below are 10 of the favorite documentation tools tech professionals are using to document their work and create wikis, FAQs, training videos, and diagrams. 1. GitHub Pages. GitHub Pages is a Jekyll-powered website generator. GitHub Pages simplifies web publishing by providing a free, high-quality site hosting service, integrated with GitHub. It uses the GitHub-provided document route, Pages. GitHub Pages converts the content in your custom repository to a static website and offers a free SSL for a custom domain name. 2. Atom.io. Atom.io is a free, open-source text editor that can be downloaded for any major operating system. It is designed for power users and is a favorite among programmers, designers, and other creative professionals. Atom is built in the browser with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. 3. Dropbox Paper. Dropbox Paper is a free iPad app that creates an online note-taking and collaboration platform. Dropbox Paper is a free iPad app that allows users to take notes, sketch, and collaborate online. It is the best paper app for teams and individuals who want to make and share ideas, break down projects and assignments, and organize their work. 4. Tetra. Tetra is a web-based application for smartphones that is an internal knowledge base and expert system that helps teams organize their knowledge and reuse it to answer repetitive questions. The users enter their knowledge in the form of notes, articles, or templates, such as meeting minutes, and then tag them using keywords. Tetra provides relevant information when the team needs it and shows them how to reuse what they know from past conversations. 5. Markdown Pad. Markdown Pad is a free, cross-platform, and open-source Markdown editor and preview. Markdown Pad can convert Markdown to many other formats with a single click. It may be downloaded and installed for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. The application will automatically detect the input and convert it to HTML. It is as easy as pressing a button. The outputted HTML is clean and free of any formatting so that web developers can easily tweak it to their liking. 6. Sphinx Doc. Sphinx Doc is a tool that makes it easy to create intelligent and beautiful documentation, written by Georg Brandl and licensed under the BSD license. It was originally created for Python documentation, and it has excellent facilities for the documentation of software projects in a range of languages. Of course, this site is also created from restructured text sources using Sphinx. 7. LaTeX. LaTeX is a document preparation system designed for producing professional quality documents, particularly those containing mathematical formulae. A computer program is used to create a document, which is then processed into various output formats, most notably PDF. LaTeX was originally written by Leslie Lamport in the early 1980s. 8. Pandoc. Pandoc is a free and open-source cross-platform document converter that can convert from one markup format to another. The translated document can be a different markup language or a format like PDF or OpenDocument. It can be used as a command-line application, as a library for other programs, or as a standalone application. 9. Bit.ai. Bit.ai prides itself as the world's most powerful workplace and document collaboration platform. It is built for teams and individuals to create, collaborate, and organize all your knowledge in one place from anywhere in the world. Using Bit.ai, teams and users can create fast dynamic notes, documents, wikis, knowledge bases, projects, client deliverables, technical docs, training guides, and client portals while integrating across the apps you work with. 10. SiteLeaf. SiteLeaf is a platform for content management. It allows individuals to efficiently publish, organize, and share content with their audience. The content management system is equipped with calendars for organizing blog posts, articles, and presentations. SiteLeaf offers a variety of ways to present content including blog posts, speeches, and presentations. Its simple design makes it easy to work with content from any device. The SiteLeaf software is free to use, but the company offers paid plans for those who wish to use SiteLeaf on a larger scale. Summary. Tools to create documentation for developers are wide, but not all tools are the same. Developers should consider which features are most important to them. The features that are most important to a developer depend on what type of documentation they are creating, and what they're using the documentation for. Keep up with the latest trends and terminology in the tech space by sharing and subscribing to our channel. Tech with Fru, signing out.